In today's digital age, many individuals are exploring ways to earn money online. Whether it's to supplement their income, work from home, or achieve financial freedom, there are various legitimate opportunities to consider. This article will discuss some proven methods for earning money online and offer guidance on how to differentiate between reliable platforms and potential scams. Some websites offer compensation for completing online surveys and participating in market research. These platforms often reward users with gift cards, PayPal payments, or other forms of compensation. Swagbucks and Survey Junkie are examples of legitimate survey websites. Earning money online can be a viable option, provided you approach it with the right mindset and awareness. Legitimate opportunities exist, but due diligence is crucial to avoid scams. If you're considering a specific website or platform, research it thoroughly and proceed with caution. While Zoombucks.com is not a recognized platform at the time of my last update in September 2021, these general tips and methods should help you explore legitimate online earning opportunities. Once you've selected a platform, you'll need to create an account. Typically, this involves providing some basic personal information. Be cautious about sites that ask for overly sensitive information. Many survey websites will ask you to complete a user profile. The more detailed your profile, the more likely you are to receive surveys that are relevant to you. This increases your chances of earning more money. Before getting involved in any online earning opportunity, conduct thorough research. Look for reviews, testimonials, and discussions on reputable websites and forums. Make sure the company or platform has a legitimate track record and offers transparency about its payment structure and terms. Earning money through online surveys. Online surveys have become a popular avenue for individuals looking to make money from the comfort of their own homes. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback on a wide range of topics. Here's how you can get started with online surveys. After setting up your profile, you'll start receiving survey invitations. These invitations can come via email or appear directly on the survey website. It's essential to respond promptly to survey invitations, as some have limited slots and fill up quickly. Most survey platforms offer compensation in the form of cash, gift cards, or other rewards. The amount you can earn per survey varies depending on its length and complexity. While individual earnings may seem small, they can accumulate significantly over time. Watching videos online is another way to make money in your spare time. Many websites and apps pay you for viewing video content, which can include advertisements, product reviews, or entertainment clips. Several platforms pay users for watching videos. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research often include video watching tasks as part of their offerings. Ensure you choose a reputable platform with a track record of delivering earnings. Once you're registered and preferences are set, you can start watching videos. Many platforms provide a list of available videos, and you can choose which ones to view. You'll typically be required to watch the video for a specific duration to earn your reward. Rewards for watching videos can vary. Some platforms pay in cash, while others offer gift cards or points that can be converted into rewards. The more videos you watch, the more you can earn. Whether you're participating in surveys or watching videos, here are some tips to maximize your earnings. Ensure your survey profile is complete and up to date. This increases the likelihood of receiving relevant surveys. You can join multiple survey and video watching platforms to diversify your income streams. Just be sure you can manage your time effectively across these platforms. While online surveys and video watching can provide supplementary income, they are unlikely to replace a full-time job. Approach them with realistic expectations. Some platforms have minimum payout thresholds. Strategically cash out your earnings to avoid losing money due to account inactivity. Participating in online surveys and watching videos can be a convenient way to earn money online in your spare time. While these methods may not make you rich, they can provide additional income or gift cards for relatively low effort. Remember to choose reputable platforms, maintain realistic expectations, and exercise caution to avoid scams. With consistency and dedication, you can turn these online activities into a steady income stream. Investing in virtual real estate within online games and virtual worlds can also yield profits. For example, in platforms like Decentraland, you can buy, sell, and develop virtual properties. Companies are eager to understand consumer preferences, and they are willing to pay for your opinions. This has given rise to the world of online surveys, where participants can earn rewards for sharing their thoughts. Here, we will delve into the various aspects of earning rewards through online surveys and provide insights on how to get the most out of this income stream. Online surveys offer an array of rewards to participants. These rewards serve as an incentive to encourage individuals to complete surveys. Here are some of the most common types of rewards. Many survey websites offer direct cash payments. This can be through PayPal, check, or direct bank transfer. Cash rewards are often the most appealing to participants, as they provide immediate financial benefits. Instead of cash, some survey platforms provide participants with gift cards for popular retailers or online stores. This option allows you to use the gift cards for shopping, both online and offline. Several survey websites operate on a points or credit system. Participants earn points for completing surveys, and these points can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or other rewards once a certain threshold is reached. In addition to tangible rewards, some surveys offer participants the chance to enter sweepstakes. While the odds of winning can be low, the rewards can be substantial, including cash prizes, electronics, or vacations. Certain surveys may offer participants the opportunity to test new products before they hit the market. These product samples are often accompanied by cash or gift card incentives. While online surveys offer rewards, maximizing your earnings requires some strategy and consistency. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your survey participation. Many survey platforms use your profile information to match you with relevant surveys. Ensure your profile is complete and up to date, including your interests, demographics, and purchasing habits. Some surveys offer higher rewards than others. Keep an eye out for high-paying surveys, but also be aware that they may require more time and effort. Each survey platform has its own minimum payout threshold. Be aware of these thresholds and cash out your earnings at the right time to avoid losing money due to account inactivity or changes in the platform's policies. Some survey platforms offer opportunities to participate in focus groups. These often pay more than standard surveys and may involve discussions or testing of products. Some platforms send survey invitations more frequently than others. Choose platforms that match your desired level of survey participation. Pay attention to the minimum payout threshold of each platform. Make sure it aligns with your expectations and preferences. Consider the types of surveys offered. Some platforms may focus on specific niches, so choose those that align with your interests and knowledge. Online surveys have become a popular way to earn rewards for sharing your opinions and insights on various topics. Whether you prefer cash, gift cards, or other incentives, there are opportunities for everyone. By signing up for reputable survey platforms, maintaining consistency, and following the tips provided, you can make the most of your survey participation and unlock the benefits of earning rewards from the comfort of your own home. Remember that while online surveys can provide additional income, they are unlikely to replace a full-time job, so approach them with realistic expectations and a willingness to participate regularly to maximize your earnings.